We do not follow trend lines. We do not follow arbitrary levels on the chart. We do not follow emotional price targets. This is a system for capital deployment. You can't master chart structure without following the market maker. It's not about catching hype. The masses are usually wrong. We have very specific levels that are hard-coded into the charts at CoinWins.app. We share these setups in Blends Group. The link is in the description. Join the council. The Market Pulse feature is for aggressive operators who want a second opinion. Don't get trapped like retail. The cyan areas are your reversal zones happening in the first hours of the US market. The coral areas are for surprise volatility happening within the last hour or so of UK and Asia. The gray areas may contain secret market maker levels between sessions. This is a low risk system for BTC accumulation. Get up to the minute information on US, Asia, and UK trading sessions. When we start to look at grid bots, we're looking at broader timeframes to get a bigger range because we want the grid bot to actually work in a certain frame. So down here was our low. We wonder how much higher price can go. But for now, let's just say, for example, this will be the high. So we set our grid bots up to take into account that we want to buy in the lower third, and we want it to take profits in the upper third. This is if we're doing a long grid bot. Now, let's just say this is a pattern that's going to go down. If we believe this is a down pattern, we would take a short grid bot and we would make sure the grid bot is actually buying in this range and then selling in this range. And it could run this way for weeks and months. Like this may have been a great long grid bot strategy right here. Put our liquidation price somewhere down here, our stop loss down here under this. And so it would have bought here and sold up here. It would start to buy here and sell here. And it might not have bought this one, but maybe depending on how flexible your grid bot was, it might start to buy here, maybe not. It would probably hold, and then it would buy here and it would sell here. It would buy here again and sell here. It might not buy here. It would definitely sell here. And then we could adjust our stop loss. We could adjust our range. If BTC is doing really well and the trend looks good on the weekly, then it might be a time to actually increase the risk and start to accumulate other altcoins like Ethereum and so on. In a market that has a bullish trend where Bitcoin is certainly bullish, which right now it's not necessarily so, we can look at altcoins from a different lens. They are like a leveraged version of Bitcoin. Just buying altcoins, the right ones, will allow you to actually maximize the upside potential for your earnings. Sure, you can buy Bitcoin. I think it's great. Spot, fill up your wallet with BTC. I anticipate seeing you in the community. As always, this one is for the operators, sometimes just moving with too much risk. Rather, what's more important is to find a structure and a system. And this is exactly what's happening in Blends Group. And this is exactly what you're getting with CoinWins. Retail traders lose liquidity all the time for simple things. Operators with 10 mil levels also do the same thing because they have a retail trader's mind. So aggression without structure is gambling, and indicators don't move markets. The market maker does. Master CoinWins, understand the markets, trade with the market makers, and you will actually have a tactical edge. Join us